Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I'm going to show you what I do pre-workout and also what I do post-workout, because that workout routine, the way you care for your hair after working out, is also very important to keeping your scalp healthy, to keeping your hair retaining the moisture and not drying out. Right? So the products that I'm going to be showing you are from Sunday to Sunday. This is a product line available to you on Macy's.com website. All the links and information will be in the description area and also in the pinned comment. If you buy the products on that website, you get free shipping when you buy $25 worth of products. So I'm quite excited to showcase these products to you. Let me tell you a little bit about before I started using Sunday to Sunday. My routine before I walk out was just to, put my hair. I'm just gonna put my hair, like use bobby pins, as you can see right now, which I did. Use bobby pins to kind of hold my hair in place so that it's not in my face, or use a hair tie to kind of tie my hair back so that it's not in the way when I walk out, and sweat is not dripping all over. Even though I do sweat in my scalp, and my scalp gets very, very itchy when I sweat, and me that I walk outside a lot, yeah, I need that protection from using the right products. Now, the thing is this: after I finish working out, what would happen is I'll come home, I'll take a bath, and my scalp is still sweaty, my scalp is still gunky, and sometimes I do like this sniff test. I do this, a sniff test, and I'm just like, ugh, and then I look for some spray that smells good, and I spray it to my hair, and I moisturize my hair, and that's it. But when I started using the products from Sunday to Sunday, my scalp feels a little bit better. It feels a little bit more friendly, in terms of nicely smelling and nicely doing well. And also applying the edge product to my edges also helps, because when you sweat along your edges. So now I have walked out, I've finished working out. I'm so exhausted. So now it is time for me to introduce the products to you and show you what I do after I work out. So after I work out, I will take my hair out of my hair tie like this, and by this time my scalp is sweaty, everything is sweaty. The first thing I do is I first want to cleanse my scalp. Now I like that I don't have to go into the shower to wash my hair. Who has time? I don't have time to do that. So what I do is I use the Root Refresh. Now this is the Root Refresh from Sunday to Sunday. The Root Refresh is from Micellar rinse. It's infused with apple cider vinegar. So you all know apple cider vinegar, it cleanses your scalp well. It kind of removes any product, any antibacterial stuff, all that stuff. It kind of cleanses up, and it cleanses your hair and your scalp. It removes product buildup and excess oils without stripping your natural oils. This is how it sprays. You see, it's a light mist spray, and what I do is I just concentrate it to my scalp like this. So I'm gonna go to my scalp. And I love that you don't smell that apple cider kind of smell to it. You know how apple cider has that nasty smell? Yeah. Don't worry, even though this is infused with apple cider, it has a very nice, refreshing scent. The products that I am using is their Moisture Balance collection, and this collection, it protects your hair against unwanted moisture, especially moisture from sweat and other things happening all around you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the Daily Moisturizing Spray. So this is the Daily Moisturizing Spray. It's a light enough spray where my hair is not getting overwhelmed and heavy with so much creams and stuff. This is a very light one that you can use post-workout, and even before you work out, you could use it if your hair is dry from the night before. Also to fight freeze and humidity. So you working out outside, it helps you with that, and it also helps to reduce itchiness and also flakes when you use it daily. So we're gonna use it now. You can see all I'm doing is just lightly spraying it. The molecules of this is a little bit thicker than the molecules of the apple cider vinegar one. So I'm just lightly spraying it on my hair like that. And I'm gonna scrunch up my hair. So you don't want to like dishevel, especially when you have a twist out. So you're just gonna scrunch it into your hair like this. So you can use this daily, and when you use it daily, I bet you within like 28 days, the company says that you will see results, you will see better moisture. My hair feels very, very soft. So the next product I'm going to show you is the Daily Scalp Serum Infused Peppermint Oil. And so this is the oil that you use this on your scalp and it helps reduce the itchiness. We all know that peppermint helps with itchiness. So anywhere, what I do is that anywhere where I feel itchiness, I kind of put it. Next thing I'm going to show you, this one I love. I love this. This is there for your edges. This is the Edge Flourish and it's infused with biotin for hair growth. Remove the nozzle, remove it. I mean, this was kind of misleading. I was thinking that you could pull it like that, but you do have to remove it. So when you remove it, it comes like this. That's what it comes in. And this is the consistency. It's like a gel. You'll see it's like a gel consistency. So what you can use it for your edges, anywhere within your edges where you have problems growing your edges, and it just kind of helps because you know when you sweat especially along your edges. One thing I like about this product line is that it is very, very light, so it's not heavy at all. When you work out, and when you're someone that you work out like me 3 times, 4 times, I actually work out 5 times a week. And my hair, I don't want too many things clogging up my hair. So I like using, after I work out, something light. And if I need to, I'll take something heavy and put it on it. Now, this is the products. The products are Sunday to Sunday, and they are available to you on Macy.com website where you can find them. And you also remember you get that free shipping if you use their, go to their website and buy more than $25 worth. And they are also on Instagram. You guys can check them out on Instagram. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.